right, another Tony Two Tone video. This one's on first aid. This is my Kelty kit. It's a Kelty box. I got it for free. It's pretty awesome. So anyways, I'm just going to go through this real quick with you just so you see what I actually have. So just some personal care stuff. Again, this is going to be dental picks and some Tums, right? I got some sunscreen. This is probably the one thing that I would actually take with me all the time, and that's going to be a tourniquet. It'll work. Some soap pads, some alcohol pads, some Band-Aids. And I've got some 2x2 cotton bandages and then some tape to fasten that. Some anti-diarrhea pills. I've got some Benadryl, some Aleve, and then I think I have some harder stuff in there, which is like a Tramadol. Just in case, man, you never know. This here is blood clotting Celox stuff, control bleeding. This is for cortisone, obviously for bug bites. It helps control the itch. A little antibacterial stuff. Now for the serious wound, I broke a leg. I chopped my freaking toe off with an axe. This is 3 milliliters of morphine. And yep, so it's there. For those who may have low blood sugar or need to actually get some sugar immediately, Tootsie Roll thing in there, and then some food and some electrolytes. So look, it's pretty sparse, right? But this is a kit that I wouldn't normally take unless I was, again, on a 5-7 day trek. For the most part, if I was to actually bring anything in here that I would really, really say is the most valuable, it's going to be a tourniquet, and that's it. The rest of this stuff can just go in a box. If it's just an overnighter or whatever the case may be, even in the event of an emergency, like a tourniquet is really all I need. Boo-boos, I'll handle in the woods. Headache, I'll deal with it until I get out of there. I don't have diabetes, so I don't need any blood sugar things, but somebody may that I'm with. Some blood clotting stuff. Again, if I'm out there for a while, I'm trekking in the backcountry, which I don't, not often, or ever, really. But if I was, then I would bring this kit. It's a kit I have, and it all fits inside there. So whatever your kit might consist of, personalize it. Make one, make something, have it ready to go, because you know what? When you need it, it's there for you, and if you don't need it, you know, just consider the amount of weight and what's really valuable. Everything else I just need a bandana for, and I'm good. But go out in the woods, get your dirt on. Go on now. Now, yeah.